This video is made for educational and entertainment purposes only, so do not repeat anything you see in this video.
Hey everyone, I was looking for different ways to get some crypto, like through an airdrop or something like that, and most of those ways weren't really profitable. But I've got something cool for you guys. Let me show you. Just for fun, not financial advice or anything. Type in this bot name. Open Telegram, click Start, click Open, next step. Okay, now we need to enter the data from the bot. Client seed, server seed, okay, fast here, and numbers of round. If everything is correct, click Write. Now we just need to wait a bit while the bot loads the info. Again, I'm just testing this out. Unlock and click here. Okay, wait. Now we just need to repeat what's shown in the picture. Play. Nice. We got it. Awesome. Let's check again. Click here and try it. Super cool. We did it again. Let's try one more time. Oh, looks like we need to add some balance. Okay. Balance. Deposit. Copy address. Click here. Paste it. Amount. Preview. Okay, confirm. Now you need to reload the page. Alright, let's keep going. Click continue. It's really simple, just repeat what's shown in the image. Nice, again win. Click next. Continue. A bit more tricky now. Let's try. I hope we get a good one. Okay. Oh. Okay. Let's do it. Let's do it, guys. Oh gosh, I can't believe this, guys. It is crazy. Okay, let's check the result quickly. Oh my god. Okay. Need my address. Coffee. Okay. Here's mount. Oh my god, guys, I can't believe this. I really hope the transaction goes through. Refresh. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Oh my god, unbelievable. I can't believe it. Let's check everything is okay. Yeah, he's here. And here too. Everything in place, guys. I'm shocked. I can't believe it. This is unbelievable. So awesome. Just check it out yourself.